Take two. Hi, this is Tafimul Tanzim along with his son Nakhotra Shomoy, and we welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Hi.
Hello.
So, the thing is, yesterday when my son was expressing his interest in being a YouTuber, that time I immediately responded with that promise, right? That I will gift him a YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers. Just because there's a lot of restriction unless and until you were having 1,000 subscribers, right? So I just immediately promised him that I will gift him a YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers as gift on his next birthday. For example, for your information, he is now 9. So next year he will be completed his 10. He will be completing his 10. So that time we were discussing, right, Nakhotra? That no matter whether it's a service or it's a product, you have to sell it, right? And in YouTube channels, a lot of products, services, and many other things are being sold, right?
Yes.
So when I was asking Nakhotra, what is your product to sell? What is your service to sell? He could not answer, right?
Yes.
But immediately he responded with that verse that lot of people are, uploading adult videos, and he was discussing about one person. Who is the person?
Mr. Beast.
Mr.
Beast.
মিস্টার বিস্ট জনাব পশু, ঠিক আছে? জনাব পশু কি করেন বলো তো নক্ষত্র একটু?
সে হচ্ছে টাকা দেয় আর টাকা আর্ন করে।
Okay, so what Mr. Beast does is he gives out many things. Gives out many things at a very, with no price, at almost no price. And that time I was talking about another person who is having a YouTube channel called Money Kicks or something. He just displays his, rich, displays his wealth, his private private jet, private customized Lamborghini, right? Lamborghini. Okay, that's the difference between an English medium and a Bangla medium. Just because, although I know a lot of English, but the thing is, still my son sometimes corrects me with my pronunciation. However, so later on, I decided on behalf of us that what we can sell is a language service, right?
Yes.
So just because I'm a qualified language service provider, I've been translating for World Bank for last 7, 8, 9, 10 years. So currently I'm a language service provider for World Bank Group and IMF Washington and IFC and many other reputed companies, reputed organizations, international organizations. And alongside, I worked as a language service provider, as a real-time translator for Care Bangladesh 2 years back. I accompanied 5 Americans. However, whatever it is, so I know I'm a qualified language service provider. So we want to sell the language service here in our YouTube channel. Okay? So in our next session, in our next video, we will let you know about
By the
the
way-
basics. Huh?
Tomorrow morning or today 12 o'clock.
What?
Didn't we talk about the
Next session?
oh
Whenever we'll upload the next video is the time.
okay.
Okay? So my son corrected me. It's not session. In our next video, okay, right?
Yes.
Now is it right?
Yes.
In our next video, we will give an introduction about how to learn a language. And there is a proverb. There's a proverb says, "Boner bage khaye na, moner bage khaye." So I'll make sure you get rid of your moner bag. Okay? will not be scared. After you see my next class, you'll not be scared about English. Okay? English is way, way, way easier than the key national language that we are having, right? Bangla is our national language, right? Oh, it's a mother tongue. ঠিক আছে? আমাদের মাতৃভাষার চেয়ে ইংরেজি ভাষাটা অনেক সহজ এবং এটা আমি আপনাদের নেক্সট ভিডিওতে বুঝিয়ে দেব বাট প্লিজ 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 ক্লিক অন দ্য bell icon and subscribe us so that you can get our service and get notification whenever we upload any new videos in our channel.
Don't you click the subscribe button first?
Why is the bell icon isn't the subscriber button?
No.
So what is the bell icon?
First.
Bell icon means the notification button, right?
Yes, first it doesn't show up, then and you click the subscribe button, then it shows up.
Okay. When you click the subscribe button, then only the bell icon shows, and you can click on the bell icon and get our notification, right?
Yes.
Am I correct? So they are the new generation kids. We are the old generation. I am 40 and he's only 9. Okay. So we'll see you in our next video. Up till then, hasta la vista.
Bye.
Ta-ta.